Alright guys and girls, today we're talking toolboxes other than the big box stores, Harbor Freight, or Tool Truck brand. Perusing the internet, I found this website called, let's see if we can get it in there. I don't know if you guys can read it. Strictly Toolboxes, sorry about that. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. They got quite a few toolboxes. Some are decent prices, some are ungodly expensive. They carry Tool Vault, Montezuma, Lista, and Extreme. Lista, I know, is made in Florida. They got their start, and they still do make filing cabinets and drawers for nut and bolt bins. Sorry, but let's look at Tool Vault. They have some decent toolboxes. I'm going to stay away from anything under 18 inches, just because 18 inches is getting kind of narrow. 56 is real common, so we'll go 54. We'll say our smallest one's going to be 36 inches wide. Or 48 inches wide, sorry. We'll say 48 inches wide is my narrowest by 18. So we got a 54 by 24 11 drawer cabinet. 1485, depending on your state taxes. Some states don't do internet sales taxes. So some of them do, some of them don't. And they have some sweet deals too. If you save a little bit of money, you can get a really big toolbox. Let's see here. Here's a Tool Vault Classic. It's 72 by 30. Let's look at that one. That's a pretty nice sized toolbox. Yes, I know the Harbor Freight one is a lot cheaper than that. Drawer capacity is 250 pounds. Actually has some nice looking hardware. The handle's kind of nice looking. It comes in blue or black, and the blue is on back order. Aluminum trim. I kind of like this style of closure. You know it's not going to come open unless you don't get it shut all the way. 30 inches is pretty deep. We've done through it already. Bottom of the drawers, it looks like. Let's look at construction. This site gives it all. I mean, they give pretty good, if it's available, they pretty much do it. Let's see. Shells 18 gauge, drawers are 20, caster channels 14. And they'll tell you if they have upgrades to them. Like this one has a caster upgrade, optional spring loaded. Wish they had a picture of those so we can look at them. Oh, there they are. Standard casters and your spring loaded casters. So a little bit better casters. Not a bad price. I just wish they offered a few more colors. So you say you got a lot of stuff in your shop you're working on and you want to impress the neighbors? Keep up with the Joneses? The toolbox itself across is 62. And it comes with the top cabinet and or chest and two side cabinets looking at 100 inches total. It comes in blue, black, or green. What's the price on that bad boy? It's gonna be in here somewhere. I probably looked at it twice. $3 grand. Yeah, just looking at these pictures, the cabinets are nice. I don't see any power plugs, but it does have them pre-drilled, which is nice. Yeah, looking like the big drawers all have one set of rollers. That's a big toolbox. Not a bad little, yeah. Overall 100 inches by 63 inches, 20 inches deep. And shipping is free on all their toolboxes if it goes to a place with a forklift. Or it's $30 or $50 more for a lift gate. So it's not bad. Let's see. Yeah, that one doesn't have any caster upgrades. Not a bad looking toolbox. A little big. It's a pretty orange. It's 72 by 25 for $3,100. Well, that one's got a hutch on it. That's why. Okay, it's pegboard. Doesn't have a power strip in the back, but they're pre-drilled in all four corners for you to put one in there, which is kind of nice. The handle looks awfully familiar. I had to guess they're all made in the same place. It's different hardware. Trying to see the side drawers here, see if they have, how many bearings are on the big drawers. Oh, there it was. Yeah, one slider. Still not a bad box for the price. Yeah, shell construction's 18, 20, and 14. So pretty much all the same. No caster upgrades. So yeah, just keep in mind, guys, there's more toolboxes out there than tool trucks. Or Menard, or Home Depot, or not Home Depot, but Harbor Freight. We're gonna look at some more. Hold on a second. All right. Now we're at Menard's website. Their Master Force series. 30 by 24 tool chest. 400. And you get a top chest, or yeah, 46 by 24 tool chest. 30 by 24 area. You can put a top chest on that little one. We'll look at their bigger ones here. There you go. 622 Master Force, 46 by 24. Yeah, it's got a rebate. It's normally $700. It's on the sale this week for $622. You can get it in gunmetal, green, black, and blue. Let's see here. Oh, I wish that was a little bigger. It's got the same stand of the latch. Not a bad little color. That green stripe looks pretty good on there. Wish they gave you more info. I don't know if that's, yeah, it does have a power station on the side there. That's nice. And my ice maker just went off. So, yeah, that's not a bad price for that little box. 46 by 24. Someone starting out. See what else they got. No, go away, Minyards. The internet's running slow today. $56 by $24. 800, so it's normally 900. It's on sale for 800 with the 11%. Not a bad little box for the price. So 56 by 24. A side cabinet and a top cabinet. Let's look at those here. Let's look at the top cabinet. So about $1,300, you can have a really nice toolbox. Oh, yeah, the top cabinet has a power port with USB, it looks like. Nice rounded corners on the lid. Got a bad little top chest. Oh yeah, that's Menards Master 4 Series. They actually have pretty good reviews on those things. And we're not going to look at the Napa brand. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, they got it. The Performax, I would shy away from. Those are pretty flimsy. They seem flimsy. I've looked at those in stores. Help a kid out, I shied away from it. Oh, you. So yeah, the Performax series is a little shot I would stay away from, but their Master 4 series, the guys who have them really like them. So let's look at a couple more websites. All right, hold on. Ah, my phone's falling off its stand. All right, we're at Home Depot. I don't know much about their the Husky series of toolboxes, but they look like they have some pretty nice boxes for the price. 56 by 22 inch roller cabinet, 18 gauge sheet metal, black for $1,100. Let's look at it. Not a bad little box, actually. I do not like their website. They got quite a bit of boxes. Pull up some photos here. New power portal. Yep, got a power strip in the back coming out. It's hard to see it. The top box has the latches are inset, which is nice. It's not a bad little box. Worth $1,100. Get a lot of toolbox for the money. Husky Extreme. Yeah, it pays to shop around. I actually think this is a little cheaper than Strictly Toolboxes website. 80 drawer, 10 inch, or 80 inch, 10 drawer, 3-piece for $1,300. Or yeah, we'll say 13. We'll just raise it. I mean, $2 is it? Got a light. Go away, you. And it's got a power station in the back, which is nice. Not a bad little box, actually. The bottom drawer and the top drawer both have dual sliders. Nice greasable casters. A little light. Let's look at that here. And they're wide enough to put big chargers in them. Looks like it's got a USB outlet right there. It's actually kind of a nice little toolbox. Rubber mats. Oh, it's on both sides, inside and outside. That's nice. Now, if they had the power bank on the inside on this, that'd be really nice. You could just set all your chargers and keep everything plugged in. But yeah, guys, just shop around. Just don't get in the mindset of I need a tool truck box or I need a Harbor Freight box. Just have an open mind. Spend a day looking, a couple hours on the internet looking, and go to your box stores and take a look at them. So, I mean, International's a really good box. You're going to pay a little bit of money for the International, and they are out of stock, but they're really good for the money. They are a little more money too, so keep that in mind. Looks like they all came with that style of latch. Doesn't look like that caster's greasable, but it might be on the other side. But anyway, yeah, guys, just still get in the mindset. Have an open mind when you're looking for a toolbox. There's nothing wrong with showing up with a different type box, other than, tool truck brand or Harbor Freight. Just a place to store your tools, unless you're looking for something to hand down to your kids or grandkids, and then that's a different story. So as always, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a good day.